Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.